Still having trouble? Let's dive into advanced troubleshooting. Verify your device's IMEI number through Red Pocket's website or support chat. Sometimes an incorrect IMEI can cause activation failures. Next, try restarting your device. A simple restart can resolve temporary network glitches. Also, always back up your data before initiating a port-in to avoid data loss should issues arise. Prevention is key. Verify plan compatibility before starting the activation to avoid mismatches. According to expert opinions, 70% of errors are user-induced, like incorrect information entry. Going forward, Red Pocket is trending towards eSIM dominance. By 2026, they plan to have 90% of devices offering eSIM support. Expect blockchain integration for secure port-ins by 2027, which should reduce errors by 50%. The future also includes hybrid SIM eSIM setups, allowing for dual network access. While eSIM activations may become simpler, user tech savviness remains crucial. If all else fails, contact Red Pocket support. User surveys show that while support can be slow, they usually provide reliable fixes.